Fatau. Habibu Al-Hassan. Oh, he also loses our possession so easily for Hearts of Oak to take over. Launching another foray. Mohamed Abubakar. Habibu Al-Hassan. Abdul Latif. Kiasu Ibrahim. Hearts of Oak under pressure, but yes, still manages to get back. Hearts of Oak again. Mohamed Abubakar. Faisal. Some beautiful play and exchanges here from KARELA United. And Second gets a very good goal here. And we seem to have nearly exhausted the 2 minutes of other time here at the Accra Sports Stadium. No goal to either side. What's shot here at the Accra Sports Stadium. The first 45 minutes. Balance as a couple of opportunities came the way of Accra Hearts of Oak. Near missing opportunities, and KARELA United equally managed to stand up to their feet and avoided all the attack. Hearts of Oak eventually ended the game in parity here at the Accra Sports Stadium. Referee Blessing Yao ensuring sanity in the first 45 minutes of play here at the Accra Sports Stadium. A game that had so much pressure soaked to it, but eventually the game ends at the first half on a stalemate. At the first 45 minutes of play here at the Accra Sports Stadium, it's Hearts of Oak 0, KARELA United 0.
0, KARELA United 0.
Maestro,
It's first half.
it's a very good game from the two coaches. It's a very good game from the two coaches, and let's give a little credit to Coach Nuruddin Amadou for that tactical strategy that he has used up in this game. You could see that the likes of Adamu Alasa, they are not feeding him with the balls, but tactically, how they've maintained the composure and how at the back of the defense they've map up a strategy to stop the attackers of Tima, the Accra folk. So you could, let's give them credit. Although Accra folk are making occasion to score, but tactically from Coach Nuruddin Ahmadi, that has kept the players in the game to the extent that 45 minutes plus 2 minutes, hardly for Accra folk to get a single goal in this game.
Wow, we are live on Original TV, we are live on Metro TV, Adum TV, and Joy Prime. So we'll be mixing the local dialect with the English. Yeah, be Yemra Yankasa Yediemu, Osha game in a course on Accra folk piling pressure on KARELA United, but didn't find the back of the net.
You see, Coach Abubakar Watara, a very emotional and a tactical coach. You kwanya ojan touchline goals ne ma ne antes at the touchline. A typical example, a coach and the Pep Guardiola. When they go see the antes of them, Shane back four, Kunadu Yadom and Osesibi, communication superb. You come to the midfield, the Rafael Ramponsa, Set Osei, and Hussein Mohammed. Now with this and almost soon about game in Mupa. Set Osei is a good holder of the ball, Okuta ball, or eye to give that kind of decisive passes. Obenya Hussein Mohammed, or the box to box midfielder, or no waba, and you could see that Rafael Amponsa or no the anchor at the midfield. They detect the tempo of the game. And Osha always have problem with Tabrante and Mauli Wayo. Sometimes chance be bet me about the whole of 90 minutes, just a chance at a beba game. So the chance never turn as well. You need to tempo and your nerves down, especially over 18-yard boxing. As a winya botre, now what can on it. And the may interest you say the only clear chance about game him, Mauli Wayo dia, a better and ask for Balubon at the far goal post. So I think, sir, but he should be serious and he should know what is at stake on the field of play. Ujina 18-year boxing, any little chance be a ubenya bian, unya botenwa kambonatum. Yamo kwabana boaten so abaso. Onya won share, but how to score no? Yeah, man credit, but trust me, Coach Nuruddin Amadou, or a tactical coach, the experience of when our Ghana Premier League and Wabefa KARELA. And if you look at the position of KARELA United, and Yamano, the last 10 away matches are when it just a one against Dreams FC. and or draw back. The rest of the 8 ni were losing. And even in the 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League ya boy. Ocean away records and you just 2 wins in away records. It was not per the position of what that say. And yeah, man, just a point adding up to the coffers because in the next match they will be coming to Dreams FC Ebeko or Bo home. It's home advantage. Ebe favor kakra. Now who had to focus now in the last 5 matches you've won just a game. But Ocean home records are the last 5 matches of Team FN Accra Suffolk. Warren 3 lose to 2. And a typical example was against Mediama. Mediama near Nimusebia Tenemano. They sat here and won by a long goal. So I think sir Abubakar Watara needs to talk to the players. Minim how has a person born a ball. So a person of Bob to say Pep Guardiola, a person of Bob Man City, the Arsenal and the Liverpool sir. Local derby. All the firm 1, 2, 3 now. You start shooting from afar. Ask yourself how many times and a player tested the intelligence of goalkeeper Nadine Abdul Latif. None. Omunya ball no prepare ball no wanim ho no saa ni finfin ho. It's about hard time we gina finfin kura goalkeeper no bedwe say bia wo pass. Obeti na ni na ehye ho. We just saw the just ended goal Abrantia against Nations odi nya the just ended goal. Ogina chire or calculated the height and the position of the goalkeeper and opeja ball na e de say. Adana munya mo pese mo ball e di ra 18 box man sana match. You need to test the intelligence of any goalkeeper.
Wow.
So what I say?
Coach Amadou Nuruddin and they are here to defend. And until I has of folk into me in Yago.
Oh, sir, defending in football is very key. But you defend when you know what is at stake. When you have 3 points now, KARELA will pay. And do baby. Will you defend till the whole of the 90 minutes? No. The bedroom maybe no defend the whole baby. That is why I said Hearts of Folk needs to start shooting from afar. Hussein Mohammed, we a good shooter. Rafael Amponsan likewise set or say, Obi onim set or say in the Ghana Premier League 2 kwine ekwa brochuro by shooting ability. It once over heart or person or fine it adds and it gives credit to more build up to the goal. But munye die here we answer na my die fata. That is the most important. And International say Nuruddin Amadou is not just any coach at Ghana Premier League anymore. The experience or power man and him or best stay back or best stay finfin. No aja Abrantia and Dinya de Hassan Adam anymore. Or when you're born no more bomana. Yen the inconsistency of Abrantia and Kevin Osesibi. A corner so baku me and some of the born beaches here. It is strategically coach and Dinya Amadou Nuruddin. And Yamona Basso say how our comporting the players play. Oshe players now build up no call almost one pressure no call almost what or Jibona no slow the tempo of the game down. No one pa.
He's this coach who won the Ghana Premier League with
Asante, yeah.
Sure. So he coming back defending, knowing across the folk how they play, it's normal.
Oh, Antina Mekano, when he won the game when he won the Ghana Premier League with Samates, they gave him all the necessary, requirements to, continue. You need buy and okoye. They need a coach who have the technical know-how for them to stay in the Ghana Premier League. A very difficult for KARELA to go back to Division 1 and come back stronger. Wow. We all know the ups and downs of Team FN KARELA.
Wow,
so I think now, when they went in for Nuruddin Amadou, Omunye mistake cry.
Wow, yeah, it be KARELA United is lying 16th on the league log with 28 points, and things I'm expecting from Coach Nuruddin. For Coach Nuruddin, we all know how he has the technical know-how, the technical abilities of any good coach, and how I would the touchline were very netatis. Interest you said in the second half, he will not defend because he has so said had to focus players ni po manimba. Look at Konedu Yadom, look at Kevin Osesibe, as Samuel Amufa overlapping. It's your another strategy on defending. Right now, obey game on him. No way you send the wingers very well because the wingers are very good.
cutting, you know, the only thing they need to do is to start shooting from afar.
Wow.
Two teams, they are lacking shooting ability. KARELA ain't shooting. Likewise, team and the other class of they are not shooting. And who person would the ball in 50 so you need to map up another strategy. And the second thought of school said, Obe started shooting from afar.
Wow.
And until when Ronaldo started football, you didn't say Ronaldo change. When he came to Manchester United, the result said, so he added goal and started shooting from afar, taking in free kicks and whatsoever. And then look at Cristiano Ronaldo, the caliber of player. So I think that 5 games, well, when it's just a match, 2 draws, 2 losses. What do you need to do? You fans are because the results are not coming to a morning. So you need to give them what the results so that it will improve. I mean, how Mobeba Stadium match.
Wow, yeah, be a share across the folk bench. Abrante and Amza Isa is coming back from injury. And do you think, say, this is the right time? This is the right call? I was a coach Abubakar Watara introducing non super game. Nimna obe pego bi Emma across the folk. Yeshe game has for Eboa. They need a goal.
Time so long a time he's in the squad. Senior injury and a setting in for Abrante and Abduraziz Nuridina. He was one of the finest defensive midfielders the system has ever created in the Ghana Premier League, even in Hearts of Folk. But then he's also in the squad. I think say 8, 5, 10 minutes. Say you will come enjoy the referral of the game small.
Wow, yeah, be enchana of a toss me no yeah the Ghana for then and second half. Are we seeing a goal? Is it for across the folk? Is it for KARELA United?
It's the football is being fair to Timo taking advantage the chances here. And what had to focus. It's about how time they need to start shooting from afar. That is the only antidote to score team and the KARELA. Apart from opening up for across the foot to just penetrate, it's about how time you need to start shooting from afar. Other than that, and mind you, they are also having one of the best players, formerly of Asante Kotoko, or big game anymore, a very different terrain altogether. So I think from Coach Abubakar Watara perspective, he needs to tell his players to start shooting from afar.
Okay.
And KARELA too, they need to map up another strategy that if they are not scoring, they are not conceding.
All right. So what's your prediction for the second half?
For the fairness of the game, football can't be fair to football can't be unfair to the one who has taken his chances and the one who has make incursion to score. So I think a long goal for Hearts of Folk will do.